Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Intuit Mint login alternatives. Quick to authenticate with Intuit Mint using alternative login methods, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Intuit Mint website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button and click on it. On the login screen, you will see multiple options for signing in. If you have an Intuit account, enter your email address and password in the respective fields. If you prefer to use a different method, look for the option to log in with your bank account or another financial institution. Click on the Continue with your bank button or similar option available. You will be prompted to search for your bank or financial institution. Type your bank's name in the search bar and select it from the list. Follow the instructions provided to authenticate your bank account. You may need to enter your bank credentials, such as your username and password. Once you enter your credentials, you might encounter security questions. Answer these questions as required to continue the authentication process. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be redirected back to the Mint application. Here, you will see the verification that your account has been linked. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try the process again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Mint's customer support for further assistance. This concludes the tutorial on how to authenticate with Intuit Mint using alternative login methods. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.